Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you fix no desktop audio in OBS Studio. Now to fix no desktop audio in OBS, you can follow the steps. First of all, you want to launch the OBS and you want to check by going to any of these desktop site and open up an audio. Then you could see at the bottom the mic or an aux is actually working out. You could see there is the activity set, and as for the desktop you could see there is no such movement. Now first of all, you could actually go and try checking whether you have something like this. Now if you have something like this or if it is minimized, then it could be the reason. So make sure to turn the volume up to a maximum level. After you've done it, then what you want to do is go to settings. As you go to settings, a pop-up window opens up, then go to audio. And as per the audio, you could see desktop audio 2. It is currently disabled. Now what you want to do is make sure to select speaker. This is the default one. Now I'm going to select it or this is my actual speaker. And once you've actually done it, you want to go ahead and click on desktop audio as well. And make sure to go ahead and select speaker as well. And then click the apply button at the right hand side corner and go to OK. As you've done it, here you could go and make sure to see whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, you want to go to the volume icon or the volume mix at the bottom right hand side corner, and then you want to go to the filter shape, or you just want to go ahead and make sure to click the gear icon. Then you'll be directed to this page, and here you want to scroll down and look for OBS Studio and make sure that the volume is unmute, or make sure that it is not in a mute, and also increase it to the maximum level. Now by doing it, click on reset and then close this tab, and once again close the OBS Studio, restart your device. That will be a complete way to fix your issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.